Hey everyone, my name is Harknee. I'm a techno and house music DJ and producer, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple but effective way to manage all of your music projects and ultimately help you finish more music. Let's go. So what I'm going to be showing you here is how to build a music project database to help give you a quick overview of all of your projects and so you can see how all of them are progressing. Now what you're going to need is some sort of spreadsheet, whether that be Excel like I have here or Google Docs works just as well. So along the top here you're going to want to put all of the names of your current music projects. It doesn't matter if they're just called like Techno Idea 4 or something, it doesn't matter so long as you can recognize it. Then in the cells below each of the music projects that you have, you're going to write every single element that you can think of to do with the songwriting, the mixing and the mastering process. This will probably be a bit different for everyone depending on the sort of music person that you are, but for me it'll look something like this. As I said, some of these may differ for you. This is just everything that I can think of to do with my own music production and how I make music. You may want to add some non-musical elements in here as well, like getting feedback or finding a reference track. You can also put these in here somewhere as well, just to remind you and sort of use it as a checklist as well. Now that you've got all of your elements here, it's time to start highlighting them. Now this bit is important as you'll want the colours to be as clear as possible, so you can quickly look at the spreadsheet and see which projects are nearly finished and which ones still need a bit of work. Now to keep it simple, we'll go with red, yellow and green. Now red means it's not relevant to the project, yellow means it's started but not finished, and then green means it's finished. Now what I also like to do is leave some squares unhighlighted, meaning they haven't been started yet but with the intentions of starting them later down the line. Now that everything is set up, you'll want to go through all of your music projects that you've listed here and go through them and then list which parts of the tracks are completed, which are not relevant and which are still in progress. Now this may take a while depending on how many projects you have on the go at the moment, but if you keep updating this every time you work on music, then it will become very quick and very easy. So now your database should be looking something like this. As you can now see, you can have a quick glance at this database and look at which projects are quite well progressed, like for idea the third one here, or which ones still need quite a lot of work, like the 10th one over here. You can also use it as a source of inspiration if you're stuck on a track. For example, maybe I could work on the kick and the bass of Techno Idea 7, or after I finish doing those two, maybe I could come over here to Techno Idea 4 and work on the lead. Now admittedly, this could feel a little bit counterintuitive, as music should be about creativity and self-expression, not data and spreadsheets. But if you're serious about your music and want to maximize your creative output, having a database like this where you can see all of your music, projects aren't then going to get lost in the abyss of your projects folder, and you'll have more mental clarity surrounding the work you do. Now this is something I've made a routine whenever making music. Just quickly highlighting a couple of elements at the end of a session and then also planning what I'm going to do for the next session using this spreadsheet. It also stops me from endlessly creating new projects and never finishing old ones. We all know that great feeling of starting a new project and getting loads of ideas down when they're fresh in your mind. But if you keep having to add new projects to your database, like this, you're going to very quickly realize you have way too many projects to keep track of. But hopefully this database idea will stop you from doing that and will force you to finish more projects. Now, I hope you found this video useful. Leave a comment down below if you're going to try to do something like this, or if you have your own variation of something like this, or maybe you have a completely new way of tracking all of your music projects. Let me know down below, as I'd really love to know, as maybe I can find a way to improve my current project database with one of your ideas. Make sure to subscribe as well, as I'll have more useful videos like this coming up in the future. Also, my latest track, Acid Mass, is available to listen to on SoundCloud and on YouTube, and is also available as a free download. So head to the description down below and you'll find all the relevant links there. Now anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!